Searching and sorting is very important when it comes to computer science. Linear search is a searching algorithm. In this searching technique, we compare the elements of the array one by one with the key element we are looking for. It is a very simple searching algorithm, but it takes a lot of time. Linear search is always known as sequential search. If there are n elements in the array, then in the best case, key is found in one comparison, while in the worst case it takes n comparison. Best case occurs when the key is at first position of the array. In the worst case, the key element is either at the last position or not present in the array. Therefore, linear search is best suitable for small data sets. This is one way that we can represent linear search in pseudocode. This is another method that we can represent this code in Python. This is the output. Order of the linear search. In the best case scenario, we get the element we are searching for in one comparison. That is, the first element is the answer, so order is O1. In the worst case scenario, the element we are looking for is either at the last position or not present. So we have to make n comparisons to come to a conclusion. So order is On. Our next topic is about bubble sort. Thank you for watching.